really good at bus perfects, you flip it on its side, go at it at all directions. Nice 23 window bus, super valuable. That one's gonna be amazing. Total show bus. You got me falling. Just to let you know, this 1979 bus will be for sale when it's completed. If you're interested in this sort of thing, make sure you hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on its progress and see what it looks like when it's finished. Miss Sunshine here is gonna look awesome. It's gonna be sunshine yellow on the bottom and white on the top, like a nice off-white. I have these awesome Westphalia looking plaid seats that are in the front. It's gonna have an L-shaped couch in the rear that folds out into a bed. That's the plan so far. So right there is gonna be a bucket seat for the driver, bucket seat for the passenger, then an L-shaped couch all the way down along that wall, and then this way, and it'll have a bed that comes out, or maybe comes out that way. But this whole back area will be a big couch area. I just had an awesome idea for making this a camper. Put a little rack back here with slide out drawers for a stove. Oh man, I'm starting to have some ideas now. Cabinets on the side. I like it. This is the last little bit of primer going on the bus. And then we will be doing paint. Yes, the next episode you see, paint will be going on this bus. A lot more sanding came after this. On to the next day. Heading down to the Volkswagen shop today to start painting the car finally. It's gonna be in the paint booth today. It's getting sealed and the first layer of base coat of yellow on the bottom today. I forgot I didn't stop recording. Crap. There goes half a battery. So here's the deal. I've only got 3 working days left, and that's including today. Today's Friday. Then I have Monday and Tuesday, and Wednesday I gotta be on a plane back to California. So I only got 3 days to get this car finished and over to the upholstery shop. I had planned on assembling the car and getting it all done and have it listed for sale around this time, but the paint job, it took longer than I thought, and I don't have time for assembly. Turns out all I had time for was a paint job. So that's okay though. Once the paint job is finished, it's gonna go over to the upholstery shop, and it's getting a headliner and a back seat there. I just figured I would fill you guys in on the time frame and how things are gonna go with this bus. The upholstery shop will take, I don't know. I know he's super busy right now, and he said he's a little bit backed up, so it would normally take him probably around a month, maybe a little bit more to do a car. I think maybe right now it might take more like 2 months to 3 months. So that's okay. However long it takes, that's how long it takes. At least the car will be painted and the upholstery will be underway. So on Wednesday, I'm flying back out to Northern California to meet back up with Ellie. And the bus is gonna sit here at the upholstery shop until it's finished. As soon as it's done, I'm going to fly back to Orlando to assemble the car. Once the upholstery is finished, it's only got a paint job and upholstery, but it feels like it's like 90% done. Assembly of the car really doesn't take very long at all, especially with the availability of new parts. Anything that's missing or needs replacing, you just buy brand new and put it on. So that's the plan. You got it? I know that's a lot of back and forth. Maybe I should put up like a schedule or something, but once this bus is finished, it will be listed for sale. You'll see it right here on my YouTube channel. Make sure you're subscribed if you are interested in this sort of project, or if you're interested in a cool little Volkswagen vintage bus. Let me tell you a few things about the bus. It is a 1979. It's the last model year of the Volkswagen bus in the United States. It was produced many years after that, but here in the States, 79 was last year. Then they switched over to the Vanagon. I'm going to turn this one into a weekender. It's going to have a pull-out bed, but not any of the other stuff that a Westfalia would have, like a sink and a stove and cabinets. It will have a couple drawers under the seats inside the passenger area. I've said this many times, but the bus will be yellow on the bottom and white on the top. Two-tone sunshine yellow and a little bit of a like a creamy white, pearl white. More final sanding for the bus, but for now let's go to millsupply.com, my sponsor. They are the step van gurus. If you need something for your step van, be sure to go to millsupply.com, but they also have metal repair panels for your classic car restoration. You can go to Volkswagen, pick out all the panels you need to repair crushed or rusty metal panels on your antique car for restoration. Sometimes they even have these parts on sale. At the time of filming this video, they were running a sale on Volkswagen metal repair panels. They will ship out these parts quickly as possible right to your home. Thank you, Mill Supply, for sponsoring this channel. Make sure you check out Mill Supply for all your car part needs. I have had a huge new influx of subscribers over to my channel, and I just went over 43,000 subscribers. If you give my sponsor a call, let them know that the Bread Trucker sent you. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Thank you for subscribing and liking and commenting so much on my videos. I really appreciate it, and it makes a huge difference. Thanks for joining me along on this Volkswagen restoration project. It'll be getting finished pretty soon and up for sale. So until next time, I'll see you on down the road. Thank you for watching The Bread Trucker.